crafty friends, I am at the Scrapbook Expo today in Edison, New Jersey, and stay tuned for some behind the scenes pictures and things that I'm buying. My first big purchase of the day is some foamy tapes, and I got clear and the precious so I can make all kinds of wobble cards and 3D cards. Look at these beautiful 3D flowers, stamped and die cut, and they're from Heartfelt Creations. Hey everybody, this is my new friend Donna. Say hey Donna.
Hi.
And tell everybody what you are liking at the show.
Everything. Everything!
You guys, what I love about Rubbernecker stamps, we got people of color. Oh, yeah. It's not just all white people. Okay, and now for what I bought. I did spend quite a chunk of change at the Rubbernecker Stamps store, and I love these frames that said congratulations and thinking of you, and then a plain one. And then I also picked up one of these background stamps. I thought it was a really cool mod design, and some of that Nina felt paper. I thought that would be something I would want to give a try. And then I got this adorable bride and groom, and as I mentioned before, I love the fact that they have people of color in their collection. So then I also spent quite a bit at Elizabeth Craft Designs, and you might have seen the video I put up on the glitter technique, and I got this set for $5 at the show, which I thought was a really great value. And then I also got a set of 3 background dies, and normally they're $20 a piece, but at the show they were 3 for $20. So if you're ever wondering like if it's really worth it for you to go to a show, keep in mind that often there are show specials and you will save money, so spending $5 or $10 for the actual admission price does not seem to be that big of a deal. I also got some of those silk glitter, microfine glitters. It was literally the last sample pack that they had left. It's more for spring, but I figured I would try it out. I was really captivated by those glitter techniques that I saw in yesterday's video. And if you haven't seen it, make sure you check that out too. But I mean, it's almost like sand. It is so soft and so super fine. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also bought this big Mama Jamma roll of adhesive tape. It is 6 inches wide and it was only 30 bucks. I also picked up these bundle stamps from Stephanie Bernard Stamps of Life. I just thought it was a really great set to have. 1 die and 2 sets of stamps and a ton of sentiments. So I also picked up some metallic gilding polish, and I have a little demo video I filmed there, and of course I want to do a full review on this. But this stuff is kind of like the Nouveau pastes, but the defining feature is that it has a little sponge applicator right here in the cap, so you are never tempted to put your fingers in it. And if you've ever had problems with your pastes molding or going bad, that could be the reason why. So I got the gold and the Pro Luster, and we will be checking that out soon. Okay, so I really have a problem with adhesives. So not only did I buy that big roll of Elizabeth Craft, I also bought 2 rolls of dimensional foam tape. And this one I'm going to show you because I've never seen this. It is dimensional clear foam tape. So if you're interested in doing things like shaker cards or dimensional things and you don't want it to show, this has probably only maybe a 1/16 of an inch, but you can double it up, and like I said, it's completely clear. And then I also got a big roll of the Precious for $13.99, so that was also just too good to pass up. So I have all the tapes now. So I splurged and I bought myself one of these floral oval frames from Memory Box. It was $26.50, so it was kind of a big purchase. But I offset it with this cute little $6 set of New Jersey themed stamps. And the I'm not yelling, I'm from Jersey, I've actually heard people say that. So hopefully these will come up on some cards soon. I also bought 2 bundles from a store that was carrying the Hero Arts things. And I put them back and then I picked them back up again because I love my koi fish, and this one had the layered stamps with the little ink cubes and the dies. I think it was $28. And then this one that had 2 different goldfish, again 2 layer stamps with dies and ink cubes. I couldn't pass it up. So there you go, a little look inside the Scrapbook Expo and what I bought when I was there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment and tell me what you liked from my purchases. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day.